Yo, what do we have over here?
We don't know. Surprise.
Surprise?
Yeah. That's fragile though.
What's in the box? We have a Godspeed twin pipe exhaust. Out of what? Aluminum?
Titanium.
Nah, it's an aluminum.
You want beer?
Bootleg.
Alright.
Cool dude.
Yo, Mata, what do we have in the box?
We have a Megan Type 2 from Japan. So we're unboxing right now. We'll find out.
It's coming from RSG Japan, huh?
Comes from Supermade
Wow, Supermade.
with a catalog, the sticker. Oh, it's Mugen, bro. Okay. Yeah.
It looks sick though.
That's the game pull over. How about this wall though? Harry, are you in there?
Yeah, baby on that.
Oh, you a bitch.
What? Exhaust! So the exhaust is out. That was pretty easy. Now time to install the Supermade one.
I don't want to get them out.
Stop stressing out, man.
That shit sounds gangster. What was he hammering?
Jesus, dude, that shit's dumbass loud.
That shit's enough. Whatever, dog, you gonna be sus. Nah, that shit's gangster.
It fits.
Fuck. I'm gonna bring
As you can tell, those tips are low today.
it back to the shop then.
So we're notching your love, making it wider.
No, you should just go faster.
Alright, so the exhaust is finally on. I cut the bumper and it's looking pretty good. Might need a little more trimming down, but so far so good.
That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.